Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get text on OBS. So as you see, how to get the text. So how to do this is you create a what I can't even say the word. You create a scene. This is going to be a quick one. You add, and then you go to text 3.2. And you can name it, you can rename it later, but for now I'm just going to keep it like that. And then choose my favourite font. Otherwise, if I can find it. Just move around here somewhere. Come on. Here somewhere. It's definitely here somewhere. Oh, just go with that. Choose your style depends on your font and your size. You can put your size. The max size is 72, I think. You can put whatever. Oh no, we can't use that. Definitely can't. Use a real black. You can write whatever you want. I'm just gonna write text 3 times. Then I don't know why I do that, but I like to keep that 10. Do that. I will do that. I like to put the width for 10. I know why it's got a little line, but it will work. It will work. Then you can open a file, but I write it and then select the color. Choose a random color, green, and green and red. And there you go. You have some text, and you can customize the size. And quick tip: the lock button makes it so you can't move it, and the I button makes it so it's visible on that. That's all from me. Peace.